I want to put on a hat, but I feel like that's a lot of commitment for right now. Do we want a hat? We have A and we have B. I feel like we just need some color. It's so like, I need background help. It's pretty bland. Oh my god, I can't wear it. It's so bad. So yes, today's video is going to be husband rates my outfits picked out by a stylist. And like any socially awkward person that barely leaves their house, I use the stylist on the internet. I use the stylist from Dailylook. Dailylook did send me everything. I will give an unbiased opinion. If you have not heard of Dailylook and you are confused about how I had an internet stylist pick out my clothes, Dailylook is a site and you pay $40 a box and that money goes to whatever you decide to keep in the box. They send you about 12 items. You fill out a questionnaire online stating like a little bit about you, things you are looking for, and they pair you up with a stylist who has all that information and they curate the box for you, and the longer you use it, the more you kind of develop a history with your stylist and she gets what you like and what you don't like. So this is the first time I'm using it, so she pretty much just had the questionnaire to go off of, and I just asked for summer clothes. Everyone gets this note. A stylist will write you kind of like why she picked out what she picked out, how to style it, and whatever you don't like, you can ship back. Shipping is free both ways. Very easy. I love that. And if you want to check it out for yourself, it is $40 a month. You don't have to do it every month, but I do have 10% off. It's just Balyn 10. So I did open the box to grab the stylist note, but I have not looked through any of the clothes. I have not tried any of them on. I'm very excited to see what a stylist picked out. I did get to see a preview on the internet. They send it to you of what exactly is going to be in your box, but it's different to see it and try it on. Okay, now I'm kind of nervous. I guess I'm going to be roasted by my husband. Who knows? Maybe he'll like the stylist picks more than my own. I mean, at this point, I don't think he could make fun of anything more than he makes fun of my current closet. Let's go. Dun, dun, dun. Do you guys think I was wearing pants this whole time? I'm keeping it real in pajama pants. It's obviously time to finally try on all of this stuff. Here we go. Let's start with the dress because it's like 200 degrees in this room. Item number 1, sticking in my comfort zone, which is neutrals, black and white. We have this very long maxi dress from Olivia Gray. Never heard of that brand, but I'm ready to give it a go. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. Item number 1 picked by a stylist. I don't know if you guys can tell immediately. I know I sure did. It's too big. I just don't have any boobs. So that's a problem for this dress for sure. You guys can like kind of see the length. Like I think it's a good length for my height. It's straight up too big. The silhouette and the pattern of this dress, like if it fit well, would be very Nicole Richie, which I love that whole like boho glam House of Harlow stuff. So I'm into that. I can't get away with wearing it. Obviously, Cody, my husband, is supposed to be in this video. He is like in the middle of working right now, so I'm gonna actually just pull him in for like a little quick review every time. He doesn't have time just to sit here as I talk about my clothes. I don't blame him, but I do want his reaction. So let's get that. You like it?
No.
No? So it's a no?
That's a no.
It's a no, guys. It's a no. If you hear any pug noises, it's this one. Okay, next we have this 2-piece number. I paired it just like the stylist said. This top with this skirt. This skirt is from J Brand and it's in a size 23. And this top is velvet and it's a size extra small. This is something I would have never picked up on my own or paired, but I feel like both are really good basics. I would wear them together, but I might wear this skirt with maybe like a denim corsety top if it matched. And this top I would probably wear with leather pants, if that's just me. But together, it is cute. Okay, let's see what Cody thinks of this. I think he might like this one.
No.
I like this one. I might keep this one. Okay, next we have this dress from, I believe it's just J-O-A. I don't know if it's JOA or like an acronym, but I've seen my friend who loves dresses wear this all the time. She's very like feminine, girly style, and this dress is right up her alley. I just feel like so girly in it. This is like summer wedding. Honestly, it could even be like a touch shorter. No, maybe this is like wedding appropriate length. This is like maybe where I'd like it to hit. Okay, let's see what Cody thinks of this outfit.
Ew.
Ew?
Yeah.
You don't like any? Doesn't it remind you of something like Megan would wear? It'd be so cute on Megan. You don't think it's cute on me though?
No.
So pass, return this.
Burn it.
Burn it? I swear he hates everything. Okay, next we have this pair of jeans, I'm on my tiptoes. These jeans are J brand, and I think they said photo ready. Yes, photo ready, and they're size 24. They're in like this kind of a slate gray wash, and I have to say these jeans are so comfortable. I personally haven't even tried on J brand because they are higher end, but I feel like I've been missing out because these fit so well. I'm so surprised that they were able to get my fit, but let's see what Cody thinks. At this point, I just feel like nothing's gonna make him happy, so.
This I like.
You like? You like the pants?
Yep.
You actually like something? I don't even know what to say.
No, this is great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think the pants fit well?
I wish you dressed like this more often.
Really?
Yeah.
So I keep this.
Yeah.
I keep this.
Yeah.
I keep this. Thank you. Okay, again, I paired this set based on the Stylist recommendations, and are there not even pockets? I'm not even gonna show this Cody because I know he's gonna hate this, and I don't even like it. So we have the splendid off the shoulder top. I feel like it's too tight around here. The shorts are the same as the first dress. They are from Olivia Gray. Let me give you the full look. So we got the front, we have the side. If I pose right, it's like kind of cute. Like if I give you an over the shoulder. Okay, let's not waste time. Let's go try something else on. Next, we have this dress that's called the Brandy off the shoulder knit dress. I think it was in a size small. Was it? Let's just go with yes, it was in a size small. I was told to pair it with sneakers, which I appreciate. I love the dress and sneakers look. I don't know how I feel about this dress. I'm looking in the monitor. I mean, like, I feel like it's flattering and I feel like it's cute. I just don't know if it's like cute on me. Let's see what Cody thinks.
I just don't see where you would wear that.
Yeah, I kind of got that same vibe. No, I wear it.
No, wear it.
I feel that. Found it?
Found it.
You leave me hanging?
Found it.
Rude.
Airbound.
Okay, you tell me what is happening with this jumpsuit. It's like poofing out at the weirdest spots. Like when I saw it, I really wanted to love it. Deets on the jumpsuit. It is from Moon River. I got it in a size small. And I paired it with these really fun pop of color boots, which I feel like would be so cute if it just didn't poof out like this. Even from the back, just doesn't work. This is gonna be a no from me, but let's just see what the hubby thinks of it. I feel like he's just gonna say like, ooh, can we guess? He's gonna say some type of like janitor, like outfit. He's gonna say that.
Like scrubs.
Scrubs. Oh, I thought you were gonna say something else. I was so close. I thought you were gonna say janitor's uniforms, but like with the arms cut off,
No,
like
looks
TLC.
like they tried to take scrubs and make them sexy.
I'm kind of there for that look, but this didn't work. How does that song go? Scrubs can't get no enough from me. I can't sing. I won't make you listen to that. I just realized, when did the sun go down? We just lost the sun. I've been filming for so long. Okay, so I have 3 items left to show. I'm just gonna start piling them on top of this because one is a outerwear piece and the other one is a purse. But first, this top is from, I think it's pronounced Storitz. That can't be right. Storitz? Maybe. I don't know. I'm looking at the monitor and actually this is kind of cute. I feel like I'd really like this with like high-waisted long pants in the wintertime. Maybe I'll just keep it for that. So next, they sent me this. Oh my god, how do I get this on with off the shoulder? Ah! Oh god, what did I do? That was good. And last is this bag right here. You may have seen it before because funny enough, I love it so much. I own it already, so I would totally keep this. It is a Rebecca Minkoff. What's the name of it? Yeah, it is the Mini Mac in black. Let me just keep the wrapping on and return him. Okay, let's see what Cody thinks of this top. I think he would like it. Let's see.
Can't really say anything too negative about it.
Well, that's a start.
Are you sure it's on backwards?
No, this is how you wear it.
Thank you for watching.
Alright, get back to work. Thank you. And that is everything. I'm sorry this video was kind of like all over the place. Cody and I originally planned to film this today, and then he had work come up, and he's working from home, so I can steal him for a second. But his head's not 100% in the game. We were still able to get a couple words out of him, and at least we found something he liked, which is huge, because I don't think he's ever liked anything in any of my videos. Maybe like one thing. But it's hard to please him with clothing. He's very, very, very picky, and he just really likes to roast clothes, which I'm fine with. And I've also been doing a little bit of online shopping. I ordered some stuff from Dolls Kill and Pretty Little Thing. If you guys would like regular try-on hauls for those things, let me know. Like this video, post what you want to see in the comments down below, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye! I can't do that in this sweater. You guys legit have no idea how hot it is. I'm gonna take my temperature.